4th of July, we'll be using the Perfect Draft barbecue blower. Connections with it. We'll be showing how to light this smoker here. Okay, I always start out with just a little bit of charcoal, and I'll have 2 pieces of wood, 2 sticks of wood in there. Okay everyone, you can see we're 255 degrees. And we've got the blower set at about that right now, and I've put it in automatic mode, which is switches up automatic. I'm using the probe now. Probe is inside, and I'm about to put a brisket and a couple slabs of ribs on. It's on 275, and the blower is set at 275 in automatic mode, controlling. Okay, that's it. We'll show you the meat later. Okay, this is the meat after about 2 hours. It's looking really good. And that's some ribs right there. So, Perfect Draft did a great job. We're gonna continue smoking this brisket. Just wanted to let you see what it looked like. Okay, my name is Steven. I'm the inventor and owner of the Perfect Draft barbecue blower. I wanted to show you guys some tips today on how to start your fire on your smoker, how to regulate the temperature with the blower, and how it works basically. So I hope this was informational and informative, and I really appreciate your business and appreciate you buying our Perfect Draft barbecue blower. Thank you.